Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Tapashwini here with a brand new topic and a brand new video. Social media has become a trend of the 21st century. People get connected to each other from miles away. We can now talk to our friends who are abroad by just a click in our cell phones. We can share information, play games together, and enjoy many more facilities in the social networkings. In the information age, the social networking sites has become the main source of communication. But does it really connect us with our near and dear ones? Does it really make us know what's going on in the life of our family members, friends, and relatives? Do we feel free to share the happenings and non-happenings of our personal life? Do we open up ourselves about our stresses, depression, frustration, and blues? Have we ever asked these questions to ourselves? The answer will definitely be a big no. No, because we don't have time to think things so minutely that in which we are investing our time. Is it beneficial to us? Does it fulfill the sole motto of investing time in it? If we observe things minutely, we can get to know that our forefathers were living a much more connected lives than that of us. When there was no WhatsApp, no Facebook, and no video calling facilities, people then were more connected to each other. They were having a strong communication, and that was a communication heart to heart. A small piece of paper with 150 to 200 words was enough for the job. Once a month communication with lots of love and affection, and definitely no wastage of time. People before were visiting relatives' houses, and that was creating 1,000 times more stronger bond than that of today's Facebook likes, comments, and tweets. Happiness of people today is limited up to the 1.6k likes. They definitely haven't tasted the taste of visiting relatives' houses and having watered rice together. It is said by the legends that dining together builds a good bonding between us. Coming to the most dangerous effect of social media, it is the core of the frustration that the young generations are facing today. It is making it hard to fight the depression. The young generation thinks that posting depressive posts in their Facebook account does the job of getting out of it. But what they get is not more than that of 50 to 60 likes and 5 to 10 comments that read, "Hey dude, what happened?" But if one sits with a cousin or a friend and speaks out to them, they can get good and wise advices which works wonder and are far good from the likes and comments. Yes, the social medias has made us more unsocial and detached from the society, and has disconnected us from our loved ones. Social media has made us more unsocial. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I'll be right back with a new video next time. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And do share your views down in the comment box. Thank you.